Welcome to 750 Clay Street. This is right off the main artery heading into Winter Park, which is Fairbanks Avenue. You have connectivity to Orlando via Clay Street. We are just minutes from Advent Health campus off of Princeton, which includes the Children's Hospital as well as a new orthopedic hospital as well. We're just steps from Minnesota. So this lot for this property is 0.69 acres, but we also have another lot that we'll show you that's 0.16 acres. And this building has 3,700 square feet of office approximately, as well as an 8,000 square foot warehouse. So let's come inside and check it out. Okay, so we have a lobby here heading into the building, and then we're going to go through a whole bank of offices. There are a lot of nooks and crannies here, but we'll provide you with a floor plan if you're interested in the space. It will also be included within this video for you to pause and take a look at. So come with me. For having nearly 12,000 square feet total of space, there are actually 6 restroom stalls. We have a kitchenette, which we'll give you a peek at soon, as well as we'll continue through this big bank of offices. And we have a conference room here. This also has its own mechanical and electrical systems, and so it's separately metered, separate air conditioners. We are now going to go to the kitchen and the warehouse. There is a roll-up door here should you want to connect it with the office space. The whole entire warehouse is air conditioned, and there is plenty of power that will have the particulars on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 offices are within here, as well as mezzanine space. And there is a loading dock. Having the loading dock and having the roll-up door and the full functionality, but being close into the urban core can be so powerful for business. This lot is massive. Again, 0.69 acres plus the lot across the way, 0.16 acres. If you have any interest in this property, contact us right away, 407-641-2221. I'm Amy Calandrino, signing off.